Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Femite video tutorial. Now, guys, for this episode, I'm gonna show you the difference between TS quarter jack and the TRS quarter jack. So as you can see, these are definitely two different connectors in terms of the ends. Now, guys, before I get into the video, I must tell you that this is actually a new YouTube channel, and that is simply because the original Femitech YouTube channel, it was actually hacked into. Basically the channel was deleted. I tried everything to get it up, back and running. So definitely not getting anywhere with that one, so that's why I actually creating a new YouTube channel. So yes guys, so in the terms of these two tips now, so this one is known as the TS, and definitely so the section here, that is the tip, and this section here is known as the sleeve, so that is why it is known as the TS. Now as for the purpose of this cable in terms of this tip, now it is generally, or it is normally used for mono and unbalanced signal, and this, for example, electric guitars. So this is normally used on electric guitars. So in terms of the signal that it sends, it is actually unbalanced. Now as for this one, that is known as the TRS, and that is simply because we have the tip there, we have the ring, and then we have the sleeve, so that's why it is known as TRS. As for the purpose for this cable, normally it can be used as mono. It can also send balance signals. So let's say, for example, you actually want to send a signal, a left signal and a right signal, then you definitely can use this cable. So whenever you're purchasing cables for your components, it is very important for you to know which signal you will be sending, and that will help you to choose the type of cable that you actually want. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Definitely leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.